this is my mommy.
Hi.
Today we're gonna do Halloween decoration signs. Step 1.
That's right. So step 1 is to choose our surface. So we've got this one.
Or this one.
So we're each going to make one today. So Sean's going to do this surface here, and I'm going to pick this one. All right, ready, bud?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Now we're gonna paint.
That's right. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our backgrounds. So we have orange, black,
and purple.
and purple. And what color are you going to start with?
I'm gonna start with orange.
Perfect. And you can paint your background however you like.
We're just painting it Halloween colors.
That's right. These are for Halloween.
Makes sense.
I think so. And do we usually paint thin layers just like that? Great job. Because we can always put on more coats, right?
Yes. After it's dried.
That's right.
To dry.
That's right. And we're going to work on
these
our Happy Halloween cutouts. Okay, perfect. So what colors are you going to do yours?
I'm going to do the pumpkin right now.
Awesome.
Orange.
Awesome. All right, so while Sean's finishing that up, right now we're just decorating our extra little pieces that we're going to glue on there. These are also laser cut out wood pieces. And then we're going to assemble them. And
Done.
Done. So set those aside to dry, and we will glue our Happy Halloweens on first. So once all of your pieces are dry, because you don't want to glue them on until they're 100% dry.
Let me see if mine is dry. Oh yeah, it's dry.
Perfect. So
what about these?
you have to check.
Dry.
Dry? Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to find out whereabouts we want it.
I want mine right there.
That looks great.
Right in the center.
Then we're going to put some glue all over the back. And we're going to brush it out with our paintbrush.
What's the blue one?
We want a flat edge one. So
Okay, so I'll use the orange.
perfect. Your orange. Well, if you're going to use that for glue, we'll use yours for glue. Okay, so I'll put some glue on yours.
And then I'll brush it out.
And then you brush it out so that all of it is covered in glue.
All of it. All of it.
Yeah, but we got to work kind of quick.
Kind of quick. Why?
Because you don't want the glue to dry while you're
Oh,
brushing
yeah.
it everywhere.
Oh yeah, so I'll go quick, quick, quick. Like.
So now what we're going to do is because I have so much extra glue gooping out here and I wanted to put some glitter on it.
And me too.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to just gently over where all the glue is sprinkle on our glitter.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Can I do mine?
Yeah, in just one sec. I'm going to show you and then it's your turn. And then we're going to dump off the excess glitter onto our piece of paper that we put there. There we go. And now the glitter is stuck to all of the glue.
Can I see yours?
Yeah.
Whoa. Now
Pretty
I'm
neat,
gonna
hey?
do mine.
All right, hold on. We need to have the fold in the middle. There you go.
I just sprinkle excess.
Sprinkle it where the glue is. And where you want a bit of glitter.
Oh, I accidentally put that
That's
much.
okay.
Okay. Make sure not to put too much glue like I am. There.
Okay. So this big chunk right there. Okay. Now
Okay.
you're gonna dump off your excess glitter.
Why does the paint still like me? I'll use mine.
Okay. Then we can use a dry brush to get it off of the places where we don't have glue and don't want it to be.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, no, do it over top of here, because then what we're going to do is we're going to take this, see how we folded it, and then we tilt it back in, and we're going to put it back into our bottle so that we don't lose any of our glitter.
There we go.
That looks awesome, buddy. Let me take a look. Very nice. And I want to dust off a little bit of the glitter from mine as well. There we go. Now we're gonna, last step is to glue on our little pieces once they're dry. So same technique we're gonna use to glue these guys on as we did for the other one.
You want me to grab this kind of brush? Like a small
I
brush?
think these ones are actually okay. We don't need to brush these ones out.
Oh, okay.
Is yours ready for gluing?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna glue this down.
My boo.
Right. Okay, let's show our finished products, and here we are. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!